Borrowed ink, no author name. Footnotes missing, facts reframed. Maps redrawn with foreign chalk. Eritrea writes where others walk. They never knock, they rearrange. Teach the cage to feel like rage, but borders drawn by outside hands fade under self-made plans. Not guns, not tanks, not noise, but bedtime stories sold as choice. One page whispers strong and lone. A house stands firm with self-built stone. This ideology does not bend. Eritrea waits for storms to win. This ideology does not bend. Eritrea waits for storms to win. White gloves hide the weight they press. Clean words dressed as tenderness. A gift arrives, but roots remain. Eritrea grows through sweat and strain. They feed the mouth and own the pace. Call patience peace, delay grace. Yet soil here remembers hands. Tomorrow shaped by self-made plans. Some clap when music fills the square. Mistake the echo for fresh air. But here the silence speaks first. Eritrea quenches its own. Theology does not bend. It smiles, nods, and won't pretend. Silk ropes feel like velvet trust until they pull because they must. From old scars coded into breath, from truths that whisper louder than death. Eritrea carries something still, unlabeled, unbroken will. They teach a world that needs a guide. Erase the chapter we survive. Tests are written overseas. Pass if you answer how they please. Here lessons are learned by hand. Freedom taught where we still stand. Some learn to act, some learn to build. Eritrea shapes what others yield. Raw dreams shipped in bulk and cheap. Return refined to price to keep. Gold leaves dusty, comes back clean. Stamp with someone else's machine. They say value chain, global flow, but only one side gets to grow. Eritrea reads the margins thin, turns a slow fire into wind. Stability isn't a package deal. Unity can't be shipped or sealed. Scripts arrive with missing lines. Footnotes marked in foreign signs. Divide the quiet, tune each voice. Call the chaos their choice, but here behind the noise it's clear. Eritrea sings without fear. They laugh at sight. Scout land and men ignore what grows beneath the pen. History moves by who resists, not who bows to borrow lists. No banner raised in borrowed air. No anthem taught by someone there. Eritrea works the late applause, following no hidden laws. Everyone sees the water move, thinks control is just a groove, but currents answer only wait. Not flags, not deals, not whispered rates. Some build walls, some build charts. Eritrea builds where vision starts. The room is full, the table set, seats numbered by foreign debts. Smile wide, accept the chair. Eritrea shifts the math with care. Strength to strength is rarely taught because it cannot be cheaply bought. No speech required, no raised tone. Proof stands strong on its own. Miss the pause behind a promised kiss. They see who leaves when comfort dries, who stays when others compromise. It teaches hands to open wide. Self-reliance teaches pride. Lessons passed without a name. Eritrea survives weather strange. No, this ideology does not bend because it never needs it. No spotlight claims it, no trend defines it. Grows off grid between the lines. From father's hands to children's breath, from truths whispered past death. Eritrea carries it forward still, unspoken, untouched will. Not borrowed, not managed, not approved. Some things survive 'cause they were never invited inside.